The past 17 days, I've had 64 sandwiches and lost 3.5 kilograms. So you're probably thinking, what is the crack here? How is this possible? But before I tell you, if you're new here, hello, my name is Sandwich Boy. I'm currently eating nothing but sandwiches to prove that bread doesn't make you fat. And I'm documenting the full thing in my story. So if you want to keep up to date, just hit the follow. Your whole life you've probably been told that certain foods make you lose weight, other foods make you gain weight. And if you want to be a bit less fat, you need to eliminate bread from your diet. But I'm here to disrupt that narrative and bring some common sense to the equation. You see, what you need to understand is weight loss is a calorie dependent process. There's lots of people online that will tell you that you need to fast, or control your insulin, or follow their magic workout plan, or drink fucking apple cider vinegar. And I hate to be abrupt, but you literally just need to consume less calories. For over 2 weeks now, I've been eating nothing but sandwiches for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Haven't even been snacking outside of it, just to prove that bread is a good weight loss food. All I've done is track every single sandwich I'm eating, so I know how many calories I'm consuming. And magically, believe it or not, I have lost weight. However, it's one thing losing weight and it's another thing being healthy. I'm enjoying myself here to say the least. I had a fucking Mars bar and peanut butter sandwich for dinner last night. I'm not saying I'm taking a healthy approach and I wouldn't do this long term, but I'm literally doing it to prove that bread doesn't make you fat. So don't copy me. You should probably eat more vegetables than I am. This is purely an experiment that I'll do in the short term and then go back to normal after. But it is a lot of fun. Long live the sandwich.